Well, every couple of weeks, we bring in Kurt Franke to talk about the legal side of real estate. He's got an interesting topic this time because we always encourage those of you out there that are looking to invest in a property. Well, Kurt Franke talks to us about investment properties, right, Kurt?
That's correct.
From the law offices of Kurt A. Franke. Kurt, you bring in lots of good topical topics, and to me, this one, there isn't one that's any more on target than talking about what your obligations are when it comes to an investment property.
Yeah, well, it couldn't be more timely for me either because I just got back from a vacation in the Outer Banks and we rented a house for a week.
Okay.
So, which led me to kind of start thinking about what kind of liability the homeowner would bear or the renter would bear. For instance, if a renter gets hurt on the property, what kind of liability would the homeowner bear, and is the homeowner covered for that?
Okay.
Usually in most rental properties, the homeowner, of course, would only be liable if they acted below the standard of care of a homeowner, not for any accident somebody has, but only if it was related or caused by something the owner did. Now, whether they'd be covered by their insurance is another question, and generally, they're probably not covered.
Okay. That's good to know. Now, in another part of that, what if you have an investment property that you don't necessarily rent out, but you're really not at full time? What sort of liability do you have to worry about there?
Well, there you're going to have to worry about liability of somebody, even trespassing on your property if you have a hidden danger there that a person wouldn't know about. Not necessarily if they break into your house, because there's not a lot of sympathetic juries out there for somebody like that, but if they're on the property for one or another reason and you have a dangerous condition, you do want to maintain, and insurance companies do offer certain peril policies, which would cover not only the property damage, but the liability if somebody was injured on the property.
Okay, so if you want to know a little bit more about if you have an investment property and if you are properly covered,
that's correct.
Or if you really want to just sit down with Kurt Franke and you have a topic of your own, he brings us a topic each week. How can they do that, Kurt?
You can call me at 827-6100, that's 6100, or go to my website, LOCAF, L-O-K-A-F, as in law offices, kurtafranke.com.
And once again, Kurt brings us a great topic that has to do with real estate every couple of weeks. It's another good topic. Thanks, Kurt.
Thank you, Greg.
I appreciate it.